So real quick, this to here, but do you put this in first?
Yeah, I would do that first.
This in first.
Yeah.
That.
And that has to be. You got to find a little sweet spot.
Mm-hmm. And once it's in, bring it.
You're gonna want to show him.
But no, I'm just making sure. So here, in, down.
Yep.
This here, there.
Yep.
Click it in with this.
And then you're gonna want to do the charging spray.
Yeah, charging spray also.
So let me spray this down real quick.
Right, so this is the gas tube, right?
Yeah.
So gas tube first here. This clicks down, kind of locks it in place. Firing pin's in here. Goes here. You just click this in here, and then this goes in through there.
Yep.
Spring, and lastly, you clip it all into place right here.
So in fast, I'll show you guys fast.
Slime.
So right here, see that little rocker arm? Okay, when it goes down, it locks this gas tube. So you're gonna want to tilt that up. So this goes here. Sometimes it's sticky. This one's not. And what I told him is you can really scrape your knuckles or use a tool to get that on. Okay, and then once you're here, this has a groove on that bolt that goes in there, and it will only go in one way. Okay, make sure the bolt is down there. It goes in. And this goes in here. There's a little lip here. It's got to get over. Like that. And then there's that little lip right here. Once this, gonna get it down here, shove it into that lip, hold it there so it stays up against the wall, and then you click down, and then that's ready.
Damn, that thing's smooth.
So, good part goes there. Bolt has to be down for that to slide out. There you go. That's 95% disassembly there. There'll be like a, see that little square in the back here? That rail has to fit in there. So pull this bolt straight forward. It's not in the groove. There, that's in the groove. Now you flip this upside down.
So does it stay right there?
Yep. And then see the little squares back here? It's like an empty spot. Now push it in.
Made a lot of resistance right there. Oh, I see that.
I'll bring it forward over the bolt a little bit. Push it, yeah, lift it up and in, and then ride it forward, see if it goes.
That's stuck.
That should be it. Let's see. There you go. It goes, see that little blank? Little blank cuts. That back there, that right there.
Yeah, I see it. It's stuck.
There. It's, this side, it's not meeting underneath the lip. So
That missed it.
yeah, didn't I screw that one up? Watch your fingers. Shit. How in the world did that get?
more time.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta push down, I see. There we go, much better. Alright, perfect. Cool, that feels a lot better. I missed that part.
You really have to give a positive push into that little lip, and then slam the cover down with your other fist on top of the other. Good.
That helps. Yeah, I like that.
And
One more time. In. There we go. That's it. That's it. That's it. Done. Nice. I got it. It's pretty easy. What do it take?
Am I supposed to do this shit now?
Yeah. Alright. I'll show you. Remember, no. You're not touching that yet. What?
No.
No. That's the end.
Yeah.
Beginning. Push that forward.
Yeah.
Pull out.
Yeah. Up.
Back.
Yeah. Lock that down. Pull this back out.
Make sure you take that pin out too. You don't need to go all the way forward. Just bring it up. Take it. That's it.
Ladle.
Stupid.
Dude, I gotta get me a fucking AK, bro.
The other way.
Yeah.
There you go.
But no, I can take apart my ARs in fucking 2 damn seconds.
I just love how easy this is.
Mm-hmm.
can't be without a bag for the AK.
No, come on.
Can't be.
This is one of your bags.
Yeah. I got 2. I got a large one. But that means I'll another one.
Damn, I'm quick with it.
You are. And also I want to give him a clue as to what a medic bag should look like. I'm just gonna need to put together. Let me make sure I got everything out of here though. But I saw ball ammunition in your handgun. That means you shot. Did you shoot the hollow points when you were at the range that were in it that I gave you the gun with? I don't want you to shoot hollow points when you go to the range with John and them. Always use ball.
No. Yeah, I should use ball. I know not to use hollow points then.
Okay, but once you're done at the range, put your hollow points back in.
Okay. I think that's what happened.
Yeah. But I'm going to take this from you if you don't mount your safe to the wall.
No, I'm going
And you
to.
don't supply me pictures that you did that.
Okay.
Okay, that's important. So, I like this because it's got pockets everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah, nice.
Because also, shotgun on one side, AK on the other.
Mm-hmm.
And then you got this for your ammo bags, stuff like that. Graduation present. Alright. You got birthday thing.
And then also, yep. And also,
Damn, I got pretty quick with it. Okay.
It's neat. Once you know it, it's like a muscle memory that
Yeah.
it's unforgettable.
ARs I'm pretty good with. AKs, that was dumb easy.
But I gotta say, it's one of my favorite rifles to shoot without a close second.
the AK?
Well, I mean, it's freaking 30 caliber round. It always goes bang when you pull the trigger. You know, people are like, well, it doesn't have the range of an AR. Well, I'll tell you how many firefights you're going to be in over 100 yards. You know, that's a good 200 to 300 yard rifle there. You know, AR, you know, out to 4. But
Your sight's dirty as hell, man.
it will always fire. And let me look at that battery. So before we do that, so this Lisa got at like one of the veterans fairs, like they had free gear, and I was like, she goes, "You think you could use this?" I'm like, "Yeah." It was just a bag. It was a medic bag, but she yard saled all this stuff. She didn't fucking zipper the shit up. What I did is, you know, you start building out like splints. Those to the side.
That's a lot of shit.
But you have like the little, so you can make incisions. You know, you got these little sterilized. Whenever I go in for doctor's appointments and you're waiting for them, I always go in the drawers and start cleaning out shit. Like these little razors, you know, tourniquet. Tourniquet's a big one.
Mm-hmm.
Online,
Bag, bro.
online you can get them from Amazon, but you get these bags that have the trauma wound kits, and they come with tourniquets. The tourniquet, I took it out of this one, but they come with tourniquets.
Can you call that like an IFAK?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. But you put this on the back of your running gun belt, you know, and
I was about to say, I was going to get one of those for the vest.
but get one for your car, get one for your backpack, get one for your running gun belt. You know, of course, you're going to have your flashlight, which she left this unzipped. Freaking closed it up and yard saled it. You know, bite extractors. I got a shit ton of these. I'll give you guys a couple dozen, but these are, you know, the roll-out bandages. I used a ton for Molly's foot, but I got to refill mine. And this is something probably twice a year I restock. Make sure you have your scissors. One thing you could probably also put is like you know, a supply of face masks and even safety goggles, and you know, in case somebody's gushing pretty good. Spare gauze.
Life lessons with Mo.
Yeah, man.
That's right. Clean an AK and...
But it gives you a new awareness of, you know, I mean, I'm far from where I need to be, but it's a good start. So whenever we go on road trips, of course, this always goes.
Regardless of who you are, what you're doing, it's always important to know these skills.
Oh, yeah. All right. So that's you.
There you go.
Where are your magazines
Fire
at?
bag.
Magazines are in my box, which is in his truck.
Cool.
They're already loaded.
I'm gonna say you can throw a bunch in there. That's what I'm doing. That front pouch, those 2 front pouches. The one of them I'm filling. I'm probably put like 6 to 8 of the extended Scorpion mags, the 31 rounds, and then the other one I'm gonna put. Actually, I'll probably put Ear Pro in the other one. Fit like 2 or 3 in there.
Remember, these bags are, you know, you fold them out, you smell shooting, shooting mat.
These bags are nice.
I like those bags.
Yeah. Yeah, fold it. Put it down. Put it down. The AK needs to be on the side.
Yeah, and there's a little flap. Yeah, that little half corner there. Muzzle can go inside there.
Yeah. Cause you got that shotgun at the house, don't you?
Yep.
Yeah, you can put a shotgun in there.
That's all I need.
Dude, these bags are nice. Dude, I appreciate that. I was not expecting that bag, dude. I was like, what the fuck is that big? And you're like, you're gonna need it. And I was like, what is that big?
Yeah. I knew you were gonna like it.
Yeah.
Also, you're matching John.
I
Yours
am.
is a little bit nicer.
Dude, my bag is nice.
Alright.
Angle's so wide.
Yeah, it is.
I can do it like right here. I can still see everything.
I think Academy has these for like $15.
How much did you get that thing for? With your
What?
discount? The
whole setup looks $600. But this is over $1,500 in camera stuff.
yeah.
In between this and all the other stuff I got, I paid like $600.
Nice. That's stupid.
That's what I'm saying. This dummy. First got a fire bag.
Also, next time you see me, I'm gonna be looking like you, whenever you're bodybuilding.
Well, I'm going to be back to it after my second knee surgery because I'm sick and tired, man, of feeling the way I do.
It's pretty good.
So we're back home. We in Brunswick right now, right next to Waycross. We lit out her.
Chicken fries. Every restaurant should implicate this. You put the sauce in the container.
Yeah, we're on the road trip back. I'm gonna try to make some videos when we're on the way. Dude, I hope I actually like blow up. Yeah. And I'm gonna act like I don't know nobody.
We hope you blow up too, Holden.
I know. It's gonna be great. Everyone's paid, no one's gotta work. We all have ranches.
Montana.
Montana. Bison. Alright, we're leaving Brunswick. I'm about to go hop in the rig. We're headed up to Milledgeville to go see Heath, his cousin, brother, his brother.
From my mother.
Yeah, but we're headed up there right now. We are leaving Brunswick, right next to Waycross, my homelands, my stomping grounds. But I'm gonna keep y'all updated on the drive over there. It's gonna be nice. Truck is doing exceedingly well, but you go hop in the thing. Which way are we leaving out of here? All right, well, just make sure I'm following you out of the parking lot. But we're headed out. I'm gonna keep y'all updated, let y'all know what's going on. But like I was saying, truck's doing really good on this drive. I'm loving it. I'm loving the build on it. It's just, but I mean, it's got the little bit of rust, but other than that, I mean, I'm really, really loving this thing. Not the exact rims I wanted. I thought I wasn't gonna like them as much as I do, but I've got a really good deal on them. I can't complain. I'm really happy about it. I don't know, man. I'm really liking the truck. I'm hoping y'all are liking the vlogs. I know they're not the best ones on earth. They're not the coolest, you know, but I'm trying. Just trying to make some quality stuff for y'all. Let's get this shit out. But first time that window's rolled down all day. Change engine oil. Oh, y'all are gonna hear what my phone says.
Yes, charge me up, daddy, please.
Shouts out to the baby mama for fucking up my phone. But we're back on the road. We're headed out of here. Got all my shit. Let me check my wallet, make sure I got all my cards. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I do count my cards every time I get back in the truck because I'm so fucking OCD. But I'm gonna throw on the music, throw on the GPS. I'll update y'all, make a little vlog when we get up there to Milliville. Go ahead and unpack my gum. My GoPro's actually staying pretty sturdy right now. Start making vlogs like this. Oh, and as soon as I said that. But, all right, I gotta pay attention. This gets me to the road. But I shall update y'all soon. See you on a meeting. So we got no gas out here in Milledgeville.
Literally rolling down the hill.
Yeah, I was right there, and there was like so little gas in it that I was like giving like on the fucking pedal, and the truck was like, nah, so it just started rolling back. I was like, fuck, I'm right here. And then as soon as I pull in the spot, like as soon as I pull in, it cuts off. Fully dead. 385. The what?
Turn your engine off early.
Yeah. It was like, no, we about to put some gas in her.
Okay, my lunch good though.
Alright, I'm gonna check the gas prices, see if anywhere's a little cheaper.
Okay, I'll run it back.
Bye. Walking up on 2 unsuspecting civilians. Give me all your money. Alright. Woo. We're in dude, this light is so bright. We're in Milledgeville. We're going out to eat with Heath. Bro, it's got different settings, but I got on the brightest. That's a little too bright.
For like this?
There we go. We're in a parking deck. Hopefully someone doesn't try to rob me in this parking deck. I have cash. But we're walking.
Oh no, I'm still holding all the ammo.
But we're going out to eat. Dude, I should have vlogged in Heath's place. I'll do it next time. But we're going out.
Velvet Elvis.
Velvet Elvis.
Apparently it's pretty good.
I think I've ate there. That sounds really familiar.
It's
but
like Americana.
Yeah. We're almost, once we're done here, we're headed back home. So, yeah. See y'all in a minute. Christmas tree. Downtown Millie. Headed to the restaurant. See y'all. See y'all in a minute. Ow. Oh, you gotta introduce yourself.
Hello, Heath Roberts, beer connoisseur of America.
Haley Roberts, married to the beer connoisseur of America.
Yes. So it's so bright. Oh my god. Yeah, we're out to dinner eating. How's the salad?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Chef's
Yeah,
kiss.
so I started vlogging again.
So what are you gonna vlog about?
Life.
Where you live. You ever want to find Sol.Vlog?
Your second or third home, whichever one this is. Oh, it's bright.
We're back. Were you vlogging on the road?
Yeah.
We're back.
We're back.
We all definitely have to work tomorrow.
Yep.
Holden, what do you do for work?
Yes.
I'm a vlogger.
Full time.
I'm going legit, guys. If y'all didn't know.
Hi, police officer.
Wait, haven't you haven't you always been legit, Holden?
Oh yeah, I've always been legit. Forever. The police right there. I don't I gotta go.
Anyway, so the police are here. Where's Holden, you ask?
Bye.
Out these beach. Can I get crunked? Eyebrows on fleek.
So Holden, I know you put a lot of cool cars on the vlog. Why don't you put
Don't
Virgo
stop.
on the vlog?
Don't do this. She's the worst. Let me tell you, all you Honda drivers, your cars are shite. They're the worst car ever.
All facts, no cap. But yeah, all right, we're back. We're back from Florida. We're unpacking. We're all washing our asses, and we're going to bed.
I like how you said we're back in Florida, but during the vlog, when you were on the car, you're like, we're in Georgia.
Just fold this right. Oh god. Oh, weird.
I don't want to mess it up.
Well, first, you gotta drop that.
I thought you had like a bougie.
No. It is a bougie cover, but all you had to do was drop the tailgate.
I'm sorry, I'm weak. I can't carry a gallon of milk. I'm sorry.
We had a fun conversation in the car. We'll tell you the car when you are vlogging.
All right, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all say bye to the vlog.
Bye, vlog. Thanks for joining us on our trip.
Oh, okay, all right.